Good morning. It is early on a Saturday morning. Gonna get around to something here that I've been kind of dreading a little bit. I don't do much in the workshop out here anymore. This place is kind of fallen into ruin and I need to get more on top of this and get this back into a workable workshop state. Nice to see I'm not going to have to really use lights in here today maybe, but look at how much of a mess this is. What causes this is just laziness, right? Like you look here, everything that's on this table got here just because it was the table that's right next to the door here, right? Stuff all over the floor. My wife is the culprit on some of the stuff, but most of it is me. My laziness, right? There's no lights functional in here anymore because some squirrels have gotten in here and chewed on some wires, I believe. So, quite a mess. Some of these things I'd like to get out of here and put somewhere else. I'd like to have another little shed where I can put just this kind of stuff, right? Just the yard things. Shovels and all that stuff, and I think if I got that stuff out of here, including the lawnmower and these carts, I think I'd have a lot more workable space in here. I also want to get the bikes out of here, just one bike here, and then we've got our e-bikes. I'd like to get all that out too. This hedge trimmer here would go in that shed, so that's the plans. That's the plans. Get those out of here. I think I'd have a lot more room. Another spare lawnmower over there. I'm gonna be installing this guy right here. I got an air conditioner because it's so hot right now that this is kind of not possible to get out here and do much. I mean, you're sweating buckets right off the bat. North Carolina here in the summer. Don't know anything about it. Never done one of these before. I'm hoping the outlet that I have that's next to whatever window I'm gonna put this in actually works. The squirrels haven't done a job on that wiring going to that outlet. I might have a chance. Let's see. All right, let's get into this. I took the straps off this, but I haven't been into the box. Let's see what we got here. Got a remote control, some batteries. This is one of the accordion looking things that mounts it in your window. I don't know the technical term for that. Here's some instructions. There's a plug for it. I'll figure out what this is later. Pull this thing out. Set it down here. Get this box out of the way for now. Alright, let's get this bottom part off. And I'm going to flip this over and just use it for a little stand for right now to sit this on. It's about as heavy as it looks. Now let's take a little peek at the directions and or ask ChatGPT how to interpret those directions. I don't know. How do you get in here to send this one up? I'm thinking about now, maybe I'm gonna have to replace this window because I'm pulling up on this and I don't know if you can see that, but this metal piece here is not even connected to the window anymore. So I'm thinking I may need to just take this whole window out and replace it. I'm gonna measure it and see what I can find down here at Lowe's. And this is real life. This is how every single one of my projects, if it involves my house or this garage goes. I get going on it, think I'm gonna be able to complete it, and then something like this sends me on a trip down to Lowe's. So I'm gonna sign off on this project for today. Stay tuned and you'll see how it turned out. Thanks for watching.